What's up, guys? It's your girl, PrettyPercent. That's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. I got something real special for you today, a nice dish. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you hit that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. All right, I am making some chicken and rice, a dish. It's very special. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that I'll be making. But before that, look at my PrettyPercent apron. I'm able to put it back on because I'm about to cook something real nice in my kitchen. I've already prepped the chicken thighs. I washed them and I made sure I pat them dry. Some of the ingredients that I'll be using is some garlic powder. One of them that's my favorite is garlic, onion, and black pepper. It's like sea salt also. But put it on there real good. We're gonna season up this really good. And I've already rubbed it down with some extra virgin olive oil. That's where you're gonna get all your juice from, and it's gonna make its own broth. Because when you have chicken and you bake it, oh my goodness, it makes its own broth. Like, you don't even have to put a lot of water in here or nothing. So, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with that broth after we put it in the oven on 400 degrees, and we'll put it in there for 45 minutes. And then I got these vegetables over here. I'm gonna cut up real good and chop them up nice. Gonna make a whole Sunday dinner. All right, guys, I'm gonna put the chicken in the oven. It's on 400 degrees. I put some butter on top of it, and I put all my little vegetables, which is the onion and the red pepper and green pepper and yellow pepper. I put that in the oven, cover it up. I put a little water in it. This is seasoned real good too, with all the seasoning that I've already told you about. I'm gonna put this in the oven, cover it up with aluminum foil for about 45 minutes. I took the chicken out of the oven. It was in there for 45 minutes and it looks good already, but we are not done because I'm about to pour this gravy on top. In the gravy, I have the broth from the chicken mixed with some cream of chicken, and I mixed that up. I got some garlic that I cut up, onions, and I put just a little butter in it, and it tastes so good. You just put that all over the chicken, and we're gonna put this back in the oven for about 30 minutes, covered up, and it's gonna be ready to eat. It's been 30 minutes. Let's take a look and see how the chicken turned out. "30 minutes after it's been in the oven on 400 degrees, this is the gravy that's on top. So it really looks like broth, but it looks so juicy. That's how you want your chicken to look, like really juicy. Don't nobody want no dry chicken. I had somebody at my job ask me, how do you get your chicken so juicy? Well, you gotta make your own broth and gravy. You can't just put the chicken in there with no kind of sauce on it, you know? All right, my PrettyPercent fans. We have our dinner for tonight. This is the chicken thighs over some rice, and I got some green beans. The rice I used was wild rice. You can use jasmine rice, brown rice, any kind of rice you want. It just complements the chicken. Then you want to put the gravy all over it. I poured a little gravy on top of the rice and the chicken too that was made in the chicken. It's so good. Now guys, that's what I have for my Sunday dinner. If you know any other Sunday dinners that you like to make, go ahead and comment below. Let me know some things that you probably made, or if you're gonna try this chicken out. If you wanna try this chicken out, if you have any questions, just write it down below. Make sure you share and like my video. Until next time, I'm out.